There's a Hemi here, there's a TRX here, and there's another Hemi there. It's Hemi Day, Ram Day. Look at that, that's cool. All three lifts have Rams. Getting them all done. Thanks for Ram. That's a sexy TRX. That's a Ram 1500. Anyways, this is the one we're talking about today. Ram 1500 Hemi, 5.7 liter. What we got done on it? Factory converter there. Then we true dualed it all the way back. And then he brought his own muffler, some Black Horse Racing. Here's the part number. If you guys want that, there'll be a link in the description for it. Right there, Black Horse Racing 3-inch in, 3-inch out. And then we continued it true dual all the way back and took the resonators off there and there and replaced the tips, and he brought his own tips. There's the part number on the tips. There'll be a link in the description for them too, with some massive 6-inch roll tips out the back. Look at that, guys. There and there. So, like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. There's sound decibels. Again. Again. 116. Yeah, 116. Go ahead and back it out. Better. You gotta get the wheels black. That sounds really nice. Oh yeah, much better. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500 true dualed with Black Horse Racing mufflers, rear resonator delete, 6-inch massive tips. We appreciate them coming in all the way from Atlanta, guys, so we get them from all over. So you guys don't hesitate to come. Heavy, man. Enjoy, guys.